Mother Nature told me to tell you this, through the mouth of a wise man. Half of you are lazy, but that's okay, because if you weren't, we would have destroyed this planet a long time ago. She told me through the waves not to be tethered by society's chains, and above all, to let go of my own personal chains. Through the desert, she taught me about silence. And how to be comfortable with it. She taught me about beauty through her breathtaking landscapes, and how I always feel included and a part of something larger. That I belong, that this is home. She taught me through the world of the small, that beauty does not just reside in these sweeping landscapes, but that it is everywhere, in everything, and every life is sacred. She taught me through our 65-acre organic farm about diversity and balance, how everything has its place, and through that, I've learned to recognize my own place. She taught me through a patience and a wisdom of ages that humanity will do what they do until they don't. That there is no such thing as unnatural, that there is simply harmony and disharmony. She taught me through her creatures, great and small, that there is no such thing as superiority, and that with greater power comes greater responsibility. Through the clutter of my mind, she told me to question who and what I am. She said that I have been taught a false image of myself, and that I am so much more. That in fact, everything is so much more than what I perceive. She has consistently reminded me that though I may have learned so much and have come such a long way, that I am still a child, and that wisdom comes through accepting this. She said that we are always seeking power, and that we have succeeded in harnessing crude forms of it externally. But in doing so, we miss the real power that resides within. She said that this is because your minds are all at various stages of sleep, but you do not know this, because you don't yet know what it means to be awake. She told me to share with and remind whoever would listen to listen. No, I mean listen. She said that you rely too much on your sight. That even now, if you don't focus too intently on what's in front of you and pay attention to the sound around you, that your hearing can paint a three-dimensional picture of the world. Don't look towards the sound. Let the sound be your eyes. And you may begin to get the sense that you share this space with others. She said to lose yourself in the colors of this world, for they are tied to feelings. She said to just stop at times and remember yourself. Remember not to just see, but to feel the world, for feeling is what gives your intellect substance. At this very moment, try to feel the people or life that is around you. Feel what their lives must be like, that they will, like you, be heading back to their beds again soon. The path through life for all living things is actually very similar. Pay attention to the common and the small, for they are the foundation of a closer relationship with nature. Everyone recognizes the obvious, but the soul resides in the unobvious. Hold up your hand, look at it, and think that this is my hand, and marvel at it. For it is 1,000,000 times more miraculous than an iPhone. Above all, she said, know that you are dearly loved, and that we wish you peace.